Exceptional, wonderful and respectful. Nice, clean, comfortable. Nice rooms are updated and clean. Beds are comfortable. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent hotel, great value. Got a last-minute reservation here through Agoda after our previous reservation with a different hotel canceled on us. Thanks again, would certainly stay here again. Perfect, it was great. Business trip, good, stay nice and clean, I would stay again. Keno review of Red Roof Inn on Wolf Road in Albany. Location was convenient, staff helpful, and room very clean. Nice, inexpensive room. Room is everything you need and clean. Nothing sketchy about it. Good location, great price, comfortable room, great stay, enjoyed it and will stay again. It is fine, clean and all you need for a good price. This is a great place. The place is good, clean, quiet, staff is friendly. Nothing fancy. The room kinda small, really just enough to fit me, my wife and my 2 kids. Price are great, no breakfast come with your booking, offer all, it's okay. Affordable hotel and great customer service. Inexpensive yet clean motel, very basic hotel but meets standards of cleanliness. No nonsense hotel if you are just looking for room and maybe a cup of coffee for a low price. Horses, great value. Not all rooms have fridges, microwave, good location for food, some shopping.